In this tutorial, we will show you how to work easily and efficiently using the Empower library. The Start group provides access to the library function, which allows you to explore all the available Excel content in the central location. With Empower Sheets, you have two options for working with the library. Firstly, you can open the library in full screen mode by clicking the Library button in the Empower ribbon. Alternatively, you can use the Quick Access pane located on the right-hand side. When you click on the Library button in the Start group and open the library, a library window will appear. On the left side, you will see the folder arrangement of the library designed to resemble Microsoft Windows Explorer. The library is divided into three main areas: Company Library, User Library, and Corporate Design Templates. The company library consists of all final ready-to-use workbooks that are intended to be accessible to the entire company. On the other hand, the user library is specific to each user. It serves a personal storage location within Empower, allowing you to create and manage your own workbook templates and fully formulated Excel files. Initially, the user library is empty after installation, providing you with a blank slate to customize according to your needs. A little note: depending on your company's overall settings, user library might be deactivated. In the My Content folder, you have the freedom to create as many folders as you desire. If any of your colleagues share a folder from their user library with you, it will be automatically added to your own user library. You can access these shared folders through the Shared with Me folder. The Corporate Design Template contains a collection of templates designed to ensure consistency with the brand guidelines. These templates encompass tables, charts, cells, and more. The purpose of this group is to assist all employees in the company by providing a quick and effortless way to create new workbooks that align with the brand standards. When you select a folder from the library on the left, the elements stored within that folder will be displayed on the right. An element can refer to an entire workbook or an individual element, such as a chart, table style, or cell style. You can tell what type of element it is by the icon in the bottom left corner. For each element, further meta information such as author, last modification date, and size can also be viewed. The Empower library contains a navigation bar that can be expanded by clicking on the drop-down menu next to the filters. In the extended navigation bar, you can make additional settings for the library window and use further features. Folder permissions can be viewed and managed by clicking Permissions in the navigation bar after selecting a folder in the library. Alternatively, you can also navigate to the permissions by right-clicking on the selected folder. A window opens in which already authorized staff members are displayed. Here you can authorize other staff members to view or edit your files from the selected folder of your user library or revoke the permissions of staff members. To upload an element into the library, follow these steps. First, select the relevant element. Second, in the Start group, click on the Library button. Third, from the options that appear, click on Save. All users have the ability to save their own workbooks in their user library. However, elements from the Corporate Design Templates group are managed by Empower administrators. When you click on Save As and choose Workbook Template as the element type, a library window will open. From there, you can navigate to the desired folder in your user library. If necessary, you can also create a new folder on the spot to organize your uploaded elements more efficiently. To do this, click the New Folder button in the navigation bar or use the button with the same name by right-clicking on the My Content folder. You can then name your workbook templates and confirm your selection with the Save button. A saving operation can be aborted at any time by clicking the Cancel button. If an element with the same name already exists in your user library in the desired location, a message will appear. You can now decide whether to replace the existing element with your new element or to give the element a different name and save an additional element. Empower search function provides a Google-esque experience, allowing you to conduct target searches by searching through the entire content and properties of an element. Therefore, you have various search options to make your search more efficient. One such option is the ability to perform a category search. With these features, you can search within specific categories in Empower Sheets, such as name, author, or editor. To perform a category search, you simply select the desired category from the bar above by clicking on it. For example, if you want to search for the term empower within the author category, you can select author from the bar. You can search within multiple categories by selecting more than one category. To deselect a selected category, simply click on it again. Using this method, you can refine your searches by specifying the categories in which you want to search, enabling more targeted and efficient results. Good to know, the search results are ranked by relevance, ensuring that the most relevant results appear at the top. Now feel free to test these functions yourself and save valuable time. For more information about Empower Sheets, check out our other tutorials.